Recently, I found a latest LLM model which can generate a real-time text-to-speech model. Basically, it is a very much efficient as well as real-time. You can get any type of response. So let's dive into it and see the result.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the VibeVoice podcast. I'm your host. Now, don't worry, listening to this won't make you age slower than everyone else, unless you're tuning in from a spaceship, of course. Today, we're tackling a thought experiment that's even trickier than explaining relativity to your.
So recently in the field of AI, we are seeing a latest update. Basically, a new LLM model is going very much popular, and this one is from Microsoft. Basically, Microsoft has launched their own new latest model, which is known as VibeVoice. Basically, this is a model which can generate a real-time text-to-speech, which can be changed in future any type of LLM interaction from text to text to speech or as well as speech to speech. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into it and discuss about this model and its features and how you can generate your own LLM model real-time text to speech and integrate in your application. If I talk about this model, this is just a 0.5 billion model parameters. So you can see that how much crucial role it can play in the field of AI. You can easily optimize and use in any type of WebAssembly based AI websites, also using WebAssembly using Onyx or web environment runtime. This is a type of just you have to provide a prompt and it will generate a real-time text to speech. This is a very much going popular, I think. So this model can be play as a crucial role it will in the future, we can see. Although this model is pretty much crucial, you can easily organize latency as well as how you can want the emotion in your speech, as well as it can optimize according to you. You can optimize its temperature to get a proper response. And token generation is also pretty much fast. You can integrate many types of text and it will generate a easily response according to your text. Means huge amount of text you can integrate in this LLM model by voice, and you will get a real-time response according to it. Like a streaming, it will flow from left to right and from start to bottom right. So this is a model and it is pretty much cool. Let's discuss about it. Also, I will discuss about it, the parameters, benchmark as compared to other LLM models or any type of open source model text to speech such as Conco TTS. There are various types of models, e-speak based models. They in Python you can use it. They are also pretty cool. And if in order to use in web, we can use web speech API, WebKit speech API. But as compared to that, it doesn't provide a realistic voice with a like a tune in a type of emotional based features. But with this you can integrate, and this is owned by Microsoft. So yeah, Microsoft is focusing, I think so they are trying to build their own any type of AI assistant which can interact easily and efficiently without spending a lots of huge amount of money on 11 labs like websites or like LLM models their own. But yeah, this model is pretty cool. You can see the response is very much cool and it is like a streaming stuff, and getting a response it's pretty much fast. I hope so I have shown you the example initially. I will show you again that video further because it's pretty much cool, and you can easily optimize any type of language. Also they have provided various types of language. This is a type of architecture where voice use speaker 1 welcome speaker 2, I think so. This is based on diffusion architecture, I think so. Yeah, you can find here diffusion it means it is diffusion based, and diffusion has played very much crucial role in the field of AI because in text to image generation as well as nano banana latest LLM models are building on this. For text to text only we use transformer, and all the use case we use diffusion for videos or images as well as audio. So this is based on diffusion, and they have optimized it further in 0.5 billion parameters. They have made this type of models text to speech with various types of language features also. This model is pretty cool. Now let's dive into it and see the example video I have shown you initially. There are some clips left regarding that. Let's see.
Is the universe a grand, predictable clockwork operating on beautiful, precise laws? Or is there a bit of chaotic gambling going on at the subatomic level? And here to convince me that God does in fact enjoy a good game of dice is the man who's been the source of my most profound intellectual headaches, my dear friend and esteemed colleague, Niels Bohr. Welcome, Niels. I trust you arrived here with certainty and not just a probability of being in this room.
Yeah, the video is pretty much realistic. let's dive into it and discuss about it. Benchmark. So benchmark is also pretty cool. I will show you. And according to, as compared to other LLM models, open source as well as paid, this much is playing very much crucial, and it is pretty cool. You can find their VibeVoice R, Gemini also, that preview TTS as compared to that, and Hugging Face models. And 11 labs, it is pretty much cool and efficient as compared to other. Its response is very much fast, means they have reduced the latency for real-time communication. As compared to other models, they lag very much in field of latency and real-time communication. This is pretty much fast by voice app. Hope so you love this video. Don't forget to share it with friends, and stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I bring regularly on our channel AI related stuff. So see you next time.